Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayang. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Old and new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome you all. I gonna see me I take time I come to come. It take me time I come, okay? Now, first and foremost, did you all have a good Christmas? Did you eat and drink responsibly? I hope so. And big up to you all who sent me your Christmas cake via WhatsApp. Me get my one via WhatsApp. Okay? When I say drink and eat responsibly, yes, you gotta be eating responsibly too. Okay, y'all? Now, today, I'm just gonna do for you. It's not a Jamaican dish originally. It's chicken chow mein. Okay, y'all? Chicken chow mein. It's a Chinese dish originally in Camera Girl. So, you know, all over the world, people take it and do them own little with it. And so it's nice. It's a nice dish. So, I'm just going to show you how I prepare it my style. Now, I have right over here some water been boiled. Yeah. We're going to prepare our pasta. So, you know, me and the salt, I don't want no more. You put in your salt. And I'm going to put in some. You can use whatever noodles. Some people use egg noodles, but I don't want an egg noodle. I don't like egg noodles. They're too, honestly, but if you want to, you use it or use what your noodle of choice. So I'm using some spaghetti here. And I'm using like about this because, you know, when it's cooked, it's going to be almost like double in bulk. You know, this is not the direct spaghetti pot. But you know, don't know it go. I like to cook it in this because it cooks evenly. And I don't want them breaking. Right? So, right here, I'm going to put a little oil. And you know, that is for it not to stick. And to give it a little moisture when it's properly cooked. Going to get my flame up. So that is happening. Okay. Right here, I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And what I want to do, I want to just show you how you cut them off. It's boneless and it's skinless. Some people cut it, dice it, but I cut it like this. You want to cut it in some thin, long strips like you're doing some chicken steaks, eh? So you cut it like this. Thin, long strips. So we're going to get them off cooked proper. Just cut them off like that, because when you cut it like that, you know, it cooks easily. And you know, chicken are all white meat, the breast especially, so you don't have any problem. And this dish, you can substitute shrimp, pork, and you can go without meat and call it just vegetable chow mein. So we get these cut off long thin strips. You know, you wash your chicken meat, you know you to wash it already with your vinegar or your baking soda and all of that. Some people use salt, but I prefer to use anything that is, you know, more upon the acidic side for kind of cut the rawness. You know? Alright, be careful y'all when you reach a certain point. So we have it like this, and this is how you want it looking. This is how I cut mine, okay? And I have 2 little pieces over here too. So I just cut this in a 2. Yeah? And you're good to go. Alright? So you have it all like that. Alright. Gonna get my hands a little rinse because I'm gonna rub up with my hands. So we'll walk over here, been eaten. We're gonna put in some chopped garlic for flavor up the oil. We're gonna get our flame up. So right here I have a little pimento, crushed pimento, and some crushed coriander. This is what I am using, y'all. You can use what you like. These are the herbs that I'm using. A little basil. Yes, basically that's it. And like a little tot of salt. And that would be it. And I wasn't ready for camera again. I'm gonna put in like a half of a teaspoon of baking powder. That is to give it some moisture. And I want a little color, so I'm gonna use some soy sauce, not browning. Okay, y'all? And I'm gonna proceed. Yes? also have a little dried parsley, but we'll link for you in the description because you know I'm going herbsy, all herbs. So we chopped garlic over here, flavoring up the oil, so you know you got to pay attention. I hope I'm not going too fast for you all, okay? I do hope so, right? Because this is a quick dish, you know. So you come right here, you don't want your garlic burned, so you just mush up, because you're ready, you know. But we link for you everything in the description, okay, y'all? So this is where you want your chicken looking like, with this nice little color. Yeah, and we're getting it right in here. I told you it's a quick dish, so you're getting it right inside there. I'm gonna get my hands washed, y'all. This time not rinse but wash, because you was using your hands were on the chicken meat, so we're gonna wash with soap this time. You know, my shot camera girl. So you have your flame up. Yeah, so we flame up, and we're gonna proceed to incorporate the garlic that has been flavored in the oil. We are going to incorporate it inside the chicken. Yeah, we have the pasta there being cooked. So we have this all cooking up, and I eat depending on, this is the bottom of this is really thick, so if your pan is thin, medium heat, but the bottom of this is really thick. So guess what happens? Another 5 minutes this chicken will be ready. So when we come back, the chicken are go ready. Take it out our wok. The pasta should be ready. Yes, and we are gonna remove our chicken from our wok, and we're gonna use the same wok. Fix the little vegetable up, and then we're gonna just put the dish together. I'm gonna show you how quick this dish can be. Okay, y'all?